Welcome to LinguaLink Hub. I am so glad you are here. No, anyị ga-ebido njem anyị n'Igbo Izugbe. Today, you will learn your very first words in a direct and simple way. And at the end of this short lesson, you will be able to greet anyone with confidence. Let's begin. First, let's look at the basic greetings. Ndewo is a general hello. Kedu literally translates to how are you? Notice the tone marks on the E and U. These are vital in Standard Igbo. Repeat after me. Kedu. Ka m kwuo ya ọzọ. Kedu. Now, let's look at this word, kedu. In Standard Igbo, vowels are key. This U with the dot under is a heavy vowel. It's not kedu. That word is pronounced as kedu, kedu. Try to drop your jaw slightly as you say it. Now let's try it. Kedu. As I said earlier, kedu means how are you? For instance, if you meet someone, let's say an Igbo person, and he or she asks, Kedu, what is your response? I'm going to be teaching you this response in Igbo language. So you respond by saying, Adị mma, Adị mma, Adị mma, which means I am fine. To be polite, you add thank you. In Igbo, thank you means imela. Imela. Thank you. Now, let's practice the full exchange. Kedu. Adị mma. Imela. Let's say that again. Kedu. Adị mma. Imela. You've just taken your first step in Standard Igbo. We will be releasing direct lessons for French, Spanish, and English next. Subscribe to the Hub so you don't miss lesson 2. Emailer. Thank you for watching.